Composting is an eco-friendly way to recycle kitchen scraps and garden waste into rich, fertile soil. In Australia, composting suits a range of climates and helps reduce waste. A good compost mix needs a balance of greens like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and coffee grounds, and animal manure, which provides essential microbes to the process, and browns such as dried leaves, cardboard, paper. For carbon, layer these materials in a compost bin or heap, ensuring airflow and moisture for proper breakdown. Regularly turn the pile every few weeks to aerate it, speeding up the process. Insects and microorganisms will break down the waste into nutrient-rich compost over a few months. In warmer climates, composting happens faster, while in cooler areas, it may take longer. Your compost is ready when it has a dark, crumbly texture and an earthy smell. Mix it into garden beds, use it as mulch, or add it to potting soil to enrich your plants. Composting not only reduces waste, but also boosts your garden's health. Start small, then expand your efforts as you get comfortable with the process. Turn your kitchen scraps and garden waste into valuable resources for your plants. It's a win-win for both you and the environment. Join us at MJB Inspired for more gardening tips.